These wildfires are the most dangerous and destructive in California history, burning over 1,893,913 acres and killing 98 civilians and 6 firefighters.
Includes about 36,000 farm workers in Ventura County who stayed and worked outside picking strawberries and other produce in the dangerous air from wildfires. What do people who work in the fields, picking food for all of us, tell you about what it's like to work there now?
When was a lot of smoke, they start to not breathe very well. They start tearing their eyes because of the smoke.
Tearing their eyes, yeah.
Yeah. What they said is, what can we do now? We need to stay there because we need the money to provide to their families.
Yeah.
The California wildfires started in mid-July 2018. On August 4, 2018, a national disaster was declared in Northern California due to the fires. This is just one example of people that are affected by wildfires. 90% of wildfires are started by humans and are the reason why they have become so bad.